Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss what is NFT, what is its market value and all other questions which came to your mind when you search for NFT. First of all, if you search NFT on Google, then first of all it is shown the abbreviation of NFT, which is non-fungible token, and according to Wikipedia it is a non-fungible token or unit of data stored on a blockchain, a form of digital ledger or digital currency which can be sold, traded and etc. For example, if I want to search about the definition of non-fungible token, then all the definitions ended up in a way that it is basically a non-fungible token, or basically it is about the digital currency token. And now we will search how you can create an NFT, or what are the procedure or the steps you can create an NFT and you can list it or sell it. There are many options to create NFT. First of all, you have to pick your item. After that, you have to select your blockchain, which may be Ethereum or any digital currency blockchain. And second one, you have to select a digital wallet which is about digital currency like Ethereum. There are many digital currency wallet like Binance and other famous blockchain currency exchange. If you look for how you can create an NFT, then it is saying that you have to start with basics, mean you have not already done so. Then you have to determine what unique digital asset you want to turn into NFT, which means you can change a painting, picture, music, video game or anything to NFT, and you can create as NFT and you can upload it as your or list as your NFT. After that, you have to select your blockchain. After selecting your blockchain, you have to select a digital wallet, as I have already discussed that a digital wallet may be a digital currency exchange like Binance and other famous exchange which are available. After that, you have to select your NFT marketplace. There are many NFT marketplace. One of them is OpenSea, which is the oldest and the famous one NFT market if you want to list your market and want to sell your NFT. After that, if you select it your NFT market, you can create account on that NFT market and you can easily upload your NFT after creating a copy of it. After that, you have to select a sale process of it. You can select a fixed price, a time auction and unlimited auction, which means you can select the time range for your NFT listing, which means after that time your NFT will not be available and it will be sold at maximum price. As you can see in the video, there are details given on a random website I am seeing, so you can easily see that. Now we will search for the top 10 or best marketplaces for NFT. Then we will get many options. As you can see in the video, there are many options on the website. As I have discussed, the top one is the oldest one and the famous one, which is OpenSea. As you can see in the video, the top one is OpenSea market for the NFT. There are many like NFTmarketplace. If you scroll down, then you can also find other options like Larva Labs, CryptoPunks, NBA Top Shot Marketplace, and related to or other like Rarible and other marketplaces. You can select any one of them, but I recommend you to select OpenSea as it is the old one and the famous one blockchain or NFT market. As you can see in the video, hope you have understand many things about the NFT. Now we will search another like how an NFT can be created or how NFT can look like. If you search on Google, then you can find many examples of NFT. There are qualities written on the top of the search that what qualities should an NFT must have. As you can see in the video, there are many examples of NFT which are listed on the top trend or on the top trend on the NFT market. As you can see in the video, there are many NFTs on Google search images, then you can find easily here. Hope you have understand this information well. If you want to get information like this and other important information, then you can like this video, share this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.